Naturalist, Unveiled. What does it really mean? Hello language learners. Today, we're diving into the word naturalist. Have you ever come across it? Whether you've heard it before or it's entirely new, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its meaning and usage. A naturalist is someone who studies or is an expert in natural history, especially a zoologist or botanist. In simpler terms, it's a person who loves observing and studying nature, animals, plants, and everything related to the natural world. Historically, naturalists played a vital role in our understanding of the world. They were explorers, researchers, and scientists who ventured into uncharted territories, cataloged species, and documented ecosystems. Charles Darwin, for instance, is a famous naturalist known for his studies on evolution. In today's context, the term naturalist might also refer to 1. Someone who practices naturalism in the arts, presenting things realistically. 2. An advocate or follower of naturalism in theological doctrine. However, it's essential to remember that the primary and most common usage of naturalist relates to the study and love for nature. Let's see some examples. Jane has always been a naturalist at heart, spending her weekends birdwatching in the park. The museum hired a naturalist to design the new rainforest exhibit. As a naturalist, he believes that the universe works in patterns and cycles. And there you have it. The next time you come across the term naturalist, you'll know exactly what it means. We hope this has shed light on the word and its significance. Remember, language is not just about words but understanding the stories behind them. Keep exploring, and happy learning!